In this video, I'm in a 2019 Subaru Outback, and I'm going to show you how to change the tire pressure reading setting on the screen. Notice it's currently in KPA instead of PSI. So I'm going to go ahead and walk you through how to change that back to PSI. Sometimes this happens when your battery dies. So on the steering wheel in the bottom left, there are a couple of paddles here. There's arrows, and then there is a set button right here. We're going to be using those three right now. This is up, this is the set, this is the down. So as you can see on the screen, it's measuring in KPA. We're going to go ahead and push the up button until we cycle over to where it says pull and hold the set switch for the menu. So I'm going to go ahead and pull this up and hold it up while that changes, and then I'll let go of it. I'm going to push my up arrow until I get to screen setting. Yep. And then I'm going to push up on the set button to select it like that. And then it's going to define a couple of options. We're going to go over to tire pressure unit. We're going to hit the set button once, and then we're going to hit the up arrow to PSI and hit the set button again. It now says setting is complete. And then I'm just going to go ahead and cycle over to go back, and then cycle back to here. So when you go back, your setting for the tire pressure is now in PSI. All right, thanks for watching. I hope that was helpful for you.